Hello, students. This is Saxon Algebra 2, Lesson 81A, Complex Numbers and Real Numbers. Now, in chemistry, we use the matter tree to organize the types of matter that we find in the world. Probably remember seeing something like that. However, in math, we talk about number sets. And you probably remember seeing something like that in your Algebra 1 book. So in chemistry, we start with matter, and the first major division under matter are the pure substances and the mixtures. In math, the set of complex numbers is the set of numbers that includes all the other set of numbers. The first major division under complex numbers is imaginary numbers and real numbers. And so all the real numbers that I showed you here would go here in this kind of number tree. Complex numbers have a standard form. That standard form is a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers, and I is the imaginary number. I'll put it up here. It equals the square root of -1. The square root of -1 is imaginary because we can imagine it, we can think about it, but it doesn't exist in the real world. Now, talking about writing complex numbers, we could write a complex number as perhaps it has a denominator, a plus bi divided by c. Yes, that is a complex number. That is not a complex number that's in standard form. To put that number in standard form, you would distribute the denominator and end up with a over c plus b over c times I. And that puts it in standard form. Now, when a equals 0, you have the imaginary numbers. And when b equals 0, you have the real numbers. So you've actually been studying complex numbers since first grade. You just didn't realize that b equaled 0. So whereas in chemistry, we started from matter and worked our way down, in math, you actually started from the bottom, the counting numbers, and worked your way up to rational numbers and real numbers in Algebra 1. And now we're all the way up to the complex numbers. I hope this video helped you. See you next time.